Okay, could add some more notes in regards to creating text in LightWave, and let's see. Yeah, so just a few notes on this. I really cannot, in this case, I really cannot change the resolution of how many points it creates. What I'll do is let's just choose this view, and what I'll do is, well, first, this is not the thickness that I want, so I'm just going to bevel it like that, and cut that out, delete and paste, so now it's thicker. So that's one thing that you could do. Right here it's overlapping. So I could smooth that out, and that will fix it. Also, there are too many points, so what I can do is, let's see, I can use a fixed offset here of 22 millimeters or so. That works nicely, just not in that area. So let's just take these guys, invert, and then do it so that it keeps that area safe from being reduced. Yeah, so a few notes there on that. Now if I triple this, it will be like that, not that hot. I usually use the connect tool. That's the best tool, I think. You have it add edges and stuff, but it's not that great. It doesn't always work the way it should. And the knife tool as well, not in perspective view, and also can be kind of tricky to use in perspective view. Here you could also use the connect tool to add points in these areas, so you could slightly tweak this if you want to. Yeah, so once that is done, you can then of course triple these guys. Now that doesn't look really that hot, so what you can do here is you can use a plugin, the excess edge relax, and it goes like that. All right.